All Pro Roof Stone Atlas is a trusted name for roof shingles repair in Allentown, PA, delivering reliable solutions that protect your home and restore its curb appeal. With years of hands-on experience, our team specializes in identifying and fixing damaged, missing, or worn shingles caused by weather, aging, or improper installation. Call our roof shingles repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a roof shingles repair near me? You can stop looking. You found the All Pro Roof Stone Atlas. Can you match my existing shingles? Yes, All Pro Roof Stone Atlas works to match your current shingles as closely as possible in color and style to maintain your roof's appearance. Do I need to replace my entire roof if only a few shingles are damaged? Not always. If the damage is limited to a small area, All Pro Roof Stone Atlas may be able to repair or replace only the affected shingles. A full roof replacement is usually recommended only when the roof has widespread damage or severe aging. What is your service area for Allentown, Pennsylvania? Our roof shingles repair has helped clients in Allentown, Fogelsville, Trexlertown, East Texas, Westcottsville, Emmaus, Ancient Oaks, Macungie, Albertus, Brenningsville, Shimerville, Zionsville, Mertztown, Maxitani, Lehigh County, Laurie's Station, Dorneyville, New Tripoli, Egypt, Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Where is your roof shingles repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 429 Southwest Street, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18106. Our phone number is 484-806-0911. Visit our website, www.approofer.com/Allentown-PA.